Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means N-M-E-I-C-T. Let us start learning.
Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn promotion decisions.
Hello and welcome to Sakshat e-Content on Marketing Management. Today, we are going to understand promotion decisions. Promotion is the coordinated, self-initiated efforts to establish channels of information and persuasion to facilitate or foster the sale of goods or services, or the acceptance of ideas or points of view. Promotion is a form of organizational communication that uses various methods to reach to a target audience with a certain message in order to achieve specific organizational objectives. Nearly all organizations, whether for profit or not for profit, in all types of industries, must engage in some form of promotion. After looking to this definition and introduction of promotion mix or promotion decisions, let us look to objectives of marketing promotions. The most obvious objectives marketers have for promotional activities is to convince customers to make a decision that benefits the marketer. For other marketers, such as not-for-profits, it means getting customers to increase donations, utilize more services, change attitudes, or change behavior. There are basically three main objectives of promotions. Number one, to inform. Number two, to persuade. And number three, to remind. Well, to inform means spreading awareness among the consumers, suppliers, and all stakeholders. To persuade means to convince, to keep that in the mind of those stakeholders that our product, our organization is the better one. And to remind means eradicating the forgetfulness in the minds of stakeholders. I'm sorry. Well, now let us look to promotion decisions. Most marketing decisions, an effective promotional strategy requires the marketer understand how promotion fit with other pieces of marketing puzzle. Promotion decisions should be made with an appreciation for how it affects other areas of the organization. For instance, running a major advertising campaign for a new product without first assuming there will be enough inventories to meet potential demand generated by the advertising would certainly not go over well with the organization's product department. Third, marketer should not work in a vacuum when making promotion decisions. Rather, the overall success of a promotional strategy requires input from other impacted functional areas. Definitely, yes. If we look to the process of creating a promotion plan, that includes basically 5 steps. Number one, analyze the marketplace. Analyze the marketplace is looked over here in previous chapters. Then identifying the target market, which even we have looked in previous topics. Set promotional objectives is the third one. We have just looked to the promotional objectives that talks about to inform, to persuade and to remind. Then next and fourth step is develop promotion budget. The promotion budget has got several methods and several factors affecting them. Well, and the last one is choosing the promotion mix. Now if you look to promotion mix, there are basically 4 ingredients of promotion mix. That is advertising, public relations, personal selling and sales promotion. Promotion mix is the mix of promotional tools which a marketer uses. We'll look to promotion mix in the next topic. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.